स्वस्ति बोलते हुए ऐसे ही राधा जी पर मंगलाचरण कर रहे हैं। नारद जी ने कहा अच्छा हम जाते हैं। विश्वभानु महाराज ने कहा
Now Narad ji is thinking,
बालिका नेत्र खोलेगी, बहुत जल्दी खोलेगी।
Narad ji is giving,
दक्षिणा इत्यादि दी।
having darshan of Radharani's Kishori Swarup. Now when Vishwabhanu Maharaj came, so Radharani again became a little girl child. Now Narad ji just finished the ceremony and went away. Now Vishwabhanu Maharaj and Kirtita Devi started thinking that Narad ji will not stop. He will surely announce this everywhere that Vishwabhanu Maharaj has got this beautiful daughter. Now everyone will tease and get upset if they get to know through Narad ji. So before Narad ji would announce this, let me only announce a great festival like Nand Maharaj did in Gokul. So we also will just announce a great festival in Gokul. In Rawal, sorry. So Vishwabhanu Maharaj celebrated, saying that, oh, we have attained a little girl child, you all please come. All the Gopas of Gokul, they came. Nand Baba, he came and embraced Vishwabhanu Maharaj. All the Gops are dancing, are chanting. Dholak, Mridang, Kansar, Kartal, all kind of instruments started getting played. And Yashoda Maiya, she came with little Krishna also in her hand. And inside, she started saying to Kirtida Devi, "Oh Kirtida, we have heard that your girl child is very beautiful. We want to really see." So as soon as Yashoda Maiya saw whom? That little beautiful Radharani lying on the bed. So Yashoda Maiya became very much surprised. She started thinking that I thought my Gopal is most beautiful, but seeing her it seems that this Gopali, this Radhaji, this little girl child, she is even more beautiful. Kirtida Devi started saying that you will just keep on talking or you will actually help also, you will support me also. So Yashoda Maiya said that how can I actually help you? I have Gopal in my hands. So Kirtida Mata said that okay, then do one thing. You put your Gopal on the same bed as my little girl child. They both will keep on sleeping and we will celebrate the festival outside. Yashoda Maiya said, this is right. So Yashoda Maiya kept Krishna with Radharani on the same bed. Now, both the Matajis, they went outside. Now, when both of them went out, then first time, Radharani opened her lotus-like eyes. Why? Because she was waiting that first, if I get to have darshan, I want to have darshan of Krishna only. So, Radhaji, she opened her lotus-like eyes. And there, she had Krishna's darshan first. All glories to Shri Radharani. Outside, festival is happening, and inside, on the bed itself, Radha Krishna, they both became Kishore Swarup. The gopis also manifested, and inside, Ras Leela is happening. Outside, birth celebration is happening, and inside, Ras celebration is happening. So this is the glories of Radharani in just few words. If I would have 2-3 hours more, then we would have created a union of Braj, Yamuna and Ganga. But we know that every day there is a particular time for Aarti and we will not be able to transgress that. We have very less time left. So, yes, we have a very short life, but also short time for this Katha. Don't think that we have just very less time for Katha. Also know that we have very less time of this life. In this life, We all are of different age. Someone is 50-year-old, 60 years old, but still one does not believe this, that we have to come to Ganga Ji only one day. We are sitting on the banks of Ganges, but still we are not able to believe this, that we will get converted to ashes one day and we will come to Ganga Ji only. Why? Because thinking about this is so, just thinking about this provides goosebumps. Oh, Maharaj Ji, don't speak like this, it's evening time. But I tell you that when the time comes, it comes. It does not see it is day or it is night or is it evening. So that's why Chanchal Jeevan Stotra Pravahya Kale Rasagar Dhaye गेलो जे दिवस ना आसीबे आर एबे कृष्ण की उपाय. Today, the day which has passed, this day will never come back. Like this, so many days will come, but this day which has gone, this day will never come back. And like this, seeing like this, one attains old age, from young to adult, adult to age, to old age. Dekhite, dekhite. What will happen? We will die. So this is the reality. This is the truth. Everything else is false. That's why the path of life and the way of art of living is that we every day chanting, hearing the holy names, hearing the holy Katha, Hari Katha, and doing Ekadashi fasting, we pray at the lotus feet of Radharani. When going to Braj, it should not be that, oh, just getting out of car and getting into the temple. As soon as we get out of the car, one should first, what should one do? One should at first pay obeisances to that dust of Vrindavan. And then one should pray to the dust of Vrindavan that we may also attain the lotus feet of Radhaji. With this, we will hear Radharani's birth celebration. All glories to Radharani.
रानी की बोलो शिव बरसाने वाली की राधा हो श्री राधा